Hey, what's up, everybody? So if you go to start your scooter and all you get is a relay click, maybe even a small crank, here's a few things you should check. Right here we have a GY6 50cc. And first you need to make sure you have a good battery. Good battery tests between 12.6 and 12.8 volts. But unless it's load tested, you can't be too sure. I have a brand new 12 volt battery. Put it in and all you get is a relay click. So if you know you have a good battery, go straight to the starter relay. There's two terminals on top. So if you take a screwdriver, wrench, just anything that's metal, you just bridge these two terminals on top, you can test your starter relay. So mine's not doing anything, which is not good. If it cranks, you probably have a bad relay. If it doesn't crank, go to the starter. Before you replace the starter, make sure you check this little bushing right here. So if you have a 50cc, just make sure you have a little bit of grease in that bushing and on the other side in the CVT cover. That little hole right there. Now if you have a 150cc and it starts intermittently, you might get a click and then it'll start cranking eventually. If it's clanking, clacking, clunking, you're gonna have to replace your starter clutch. On a 50, you could look at the Bendix, put a little bit of grease in there, make sure it's not binding up. Originally, this scooter is binding up and keeping it from cranking. It's still kickstart though, but that's one thing to check before you replace the starter. So when I go to hit the start button, see, I'm already reading voltage. That's not good. I hit the button, I get 12.9 volts at the starter. I have my multimeter right on the positive wire. So if you bridge those two terminals and it doesn't start cranking, you're probably looking at a new starter. Anyway, catch you guys on the next video. Later.